I'll now guide you through lesson 4 on the lesson guide. Remember to leave at least a day after completing lesson 3. The first thing we need to do is to turn to our control page on page 53, which controls and monitors our students' progress as they learn to spell these words. We need to retest the positives. In other words, any words on the control page which have a tick in the last column. Ask your student to spell these words on paper. Tick or dot as appropriate and record the results on the control page with a tick or a dot. The next thing that we need to do is to complete the rows process that we took your student through in the previous lesson, lesson 3. So once again, open the book, take the spelling form, the rows form from the flap at the back of Stareway to Spelling, fold the form so that the words are hidden, put it in front of your student. Turn to the spelling dictation box, page 46, and dictate the words from the spelling dictation box for your student to write on row G, to write down on row G of the row spelling form. So here are the words that your student has written on row G of the rows form. So we'll mark them now with a tick or a dot. Which has been forgotten, that receives a dot. Now we need to record the results back on our control page, of course. So opposite the relevant words, tick for do, for each, tick for they, tick for what, tick when, tick use, we'll dot which, and we'll tick word. That completes the rows process. We are progressing through the manual in blocks of 50 words. So the next thing we need to do is the sentence dictation for most used words 51 to 100. So open Stareway to Spelling on page 20 and place the manual in front of your student. Take the appendix from the flap at the back, and we are now going to dictate most used words 51 to 100, the second block of sentences for your student to write on page 20 of Stareway to Spelling. That concludes lesson 4.